Welcome back to TakePropips. If you're starting your journey into the world of Forex trading, technical analysis is a skill you'll definitely want to master. Today, we're going to dive into the best technical analysis tips for beginners in Forex trading. Now, I know technical analysis can feel overwhelming at first. There are countless indicators, chart patterns, and tools out there. But don't worry. We'll break it down into bite-sized, easy-to-follow tips. And hey, you don't need to be a math genius to apply these strategies successfully. A bit of practice and consistency is all it takes. First, let's talk about chart patterns. Understanding these is like learning to read the market's language. Patterns such as double tops, head and shoulders, and flags can give you insights into where the market might be heading next. As a beginner, start with the basics. Keep an eye out for support and resistance levels. Think of these as invisible walls where price tends to bounce off. When you identify these levels, you're halfway to knowing when to enter or exit a trade. Now, if all this talk about patterns sounds confusing, you might want to check out the Trading Management Solutions EA by TakePropips. This tool simplifies things by automatically detecting these patterns for you. Whether it's Fibonacci retracements or candlestick patterns, the system has you covered. You'll get notified about key opportunities so you can trade with confidence, even if you're just starting out. Next up, moving averages. Moving averages smooth out price data to help you see the overall trend. For beginners, a good place to start is the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. If the 50-day line crosses above the 200-day, it's a signal of a potential upward trend. And the best part? Tools like our trend scanner make it even easier to spot trends across multiple pairs and timeframes. You can spend more time planning your strategy instead of staring at charts all day. Another tip: don't chase the market. It's easy to get swept up when the price starts moving rapidly. But here's a golden rule: always trade with a plan. That's where a trade manager can come in handy. With the TakePropips Trade Manager, you can preset your trade entries, stop losses, and take profits. This means your trades are managed efficiently, whether you're at your screen or not. Let's move on to indicators. They're your friends, but don't overdo it. Beginners sometimes add too many indicators to their charts, and the next thing they know, they can't see the price action anymore. Start with just one or two. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a great one for beginners. It tells you whether the market is overbought or oversold, helping you avoid bad entries. And here's where the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA shines again. It provides built-in indicators like RSI, moving averages, and even automated candlestick patterns to streamline your analysis. Now let's talk about risk management. A lot of traders overlook this part, but trust me, managing risk is the backbone of successful trading. No strategy will work if you don't control your losses. The TakePropips EA comes with essential features like trailing stops and partial close management, which help you secure profits and minimize losses without constantly watching the market. Another crucial aspect is keeping your emotions in check. Fear and greed are every trader's worst enemies. When you let emotions drive your decisions, it's easy to make mistakes. That's why automating parts of your strategy can be a game changer. With features like Auto Trade Management, our EA can handle trades on your behalf based on the strategies you set. It's like having a trading assistant that never sleeps. Before we wrap things up, here's an extra tip for you. Always start on a demo account. This allows you to practice technical analysis and test your strategies without risking real money. TakePropips EA works on demo accounts too, so you can familiarize yourself with its tools and features in a risk-free environment. Get comfortable using the currency strength meter, trend scanner, and trade management features before going live. So, there you have it. Some of the best technical analysis tips for beginner Forex traders. To recap, start with simple chart patterns and moving averages. Avoid overcrowding your charts with too many indicators. Use the right tools to manage your trades efficiently, and never skip on risk management. And of course, practice, practice, practice. The journey to becoming a successful Forex trader takes time, but with the right tools, like the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA, you'll be well on your way to making informed and confident trading decisions. Thank you for tuning in to TakePropips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and strategies. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, check out our website at TakePropips.com to explore the full potential of our trading management solutions. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.